Hey, and welcome to Alpha. So we are now going to start at the last session for the week for binary option here at IQ Sense. If you see this as a recording, probably you're not a subscriber on my channel or you have not turned the bell notification on. Also, you are not a part of my Discord group where you can see this live session also. So make sure you do that. You find link below the video. Also, make sure you sign up with this broker you see up here. You find a link below the video for that also. And your possibility to get 200% on your first deposit using my promo code ALPHA1. So make sure you do that. Now I will start to make things ready so we can start this live session. So just bear with me as always. So now I will just set up a few things before we start this live session. Okay. Okay. Think we start to have things in order here now. Let me just check. Everything seems to be in order. So then I will log in and start this live session. See, and as always I will start to find my pairs that we want to trade in this live session. We always remove the ones we are not interested in. Let's check if you have a trade right off the bat, and do you know what? We do have one in the bottle. Let's take a $100 trade there if you get down there again. That is, if we come down to this region here, we will take a trade right off the bat. I'll move my mouse over here now, so I'm ready to take a trade. If we get down there, we are waiting. We are still not aware what type of delay we will have when we push the button. This is always a mystery. First trade. Let's see now. At least we are ready. It looks like in the time when we were ready, the market was also ready to go up. Then we can start to take a look for the other pairs. We bring up this one, bring up this one. Let's go down. Take this one there. That one. Keep all at pay of 78. feel we start to have enough pairs here now. Yeah, I think that's enough for now. Then let's check back on this one here. We are using a stochastic RSI to check where the market is ready to break support or resistance. That's the only reason for the stochastic. Like for now, for example, I don't like it down here, just because of the stochastic says otherwise, to see. And the stochastic was not wrong. So that is a way we can prevent to take a trade here, for example. Do you see? The reason for that, we did see the stochastic was high. We need it to be low here. Only if you're below here, we are interested to take a trade. So this, you see, can prevent us to take bad trades. So let's just move on for now. There, we're in. I did like, you see we're in the bottom here. Let's see if that can be a good trade for the day. We need to wait our 33 seconds, of course. Now when that is set, looks like he break more down. He broke much more down than normal. We did take a trade based on this line. The stochastic was low. I will say it was a good trade, but looks like the first trade of the day is a loser. So let's put that into the calculation, minus $100. So a bad start. Now let's go over here. Take a look. Here I can't see nothing. Let's continue. Here I see nothing. Here we see nothing. You know, trend downwards. Take easily a trade there. I'll wait a little. I want a little better. I'm just looking this one's here. I think because we see higher, higher, higher. We don't like that. So I'm holding back. I think this area here, I can mark it. We have time for that, looks like. An area that I would think would be up there. Let's see. There, that was close enough. Now let's see how this will play out. Could I got a little better entry, I see. But, let's see. All closed low, so let's see. The stochastic is high, everything is good. Now let's just wait our 20 seconds and see how this will play out. Just wait 15 more seconds. We are deep in the money for now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Very good trade. There we got it. Our first win of the day. So we can now put in plus 78. I will continue taking trade up there. I will though take a little better entry around there. Now we have time to change for the color also. There, that's where we will take a trade. We do like it. So if you get up there again, we'll take it. Very good, Eternal. Good start. Now let's see. And good morning, by the way. Okay. We are still having the line in the top live. I will tell when it's not live more. I will change the color when I don't see the line live more. Okay, we are ready again. By the way, I am still working on my robot. I'm not completely satisfied yet, but I'm working on it, so it is something I will come back to on my channel. It will just be something, we can call it a little side hustle that will come soon, but it's taking a little time to get it up and running to a level where I'm accepting it. Let's see. We are ready. Almost a trade. Oh, there. I did push many times wrong here, but we got a trade in. Now let's see. And this time looks like he's breaking. A little weird. I don't like that. Let's zoom out and see what that can be. Yes, we do have another type of resistant up there. Could that be the thing? Let's see, where we close on this one first. Okay, he closed higher. I don't like that. Probably I will lose this one. Let's see. I will not count myself out yet. We see a good red bar. But yes. Minus 100. If I had a little better entry, I would be golden, but that was the case for me. I will remove this one. We are not trading more here. Now, when that is said, up here we see with this bar here that was the area. Let's wait and see. He closed it very high. It's still in that area. Now he's retesting our last resistant, that is now turn support. I think we move away from this pair for now. Too confusing. Now I think you get a retest of this support here. I think that one will be holding around here. I'll mark it. I think around here is where we can expect this to come down to. Now let's see. It is a region. Let's see, I want to see one test first to distance the line. Okay, looks like a little lower than what I thought. I said there is the area. It's going in even more. I need to wait till this bar is done. Okay, now we got an equal like this one there. There. We want to see this bar end first. Got one more time, equal with the one to the left. So maybe that's the... Okay, he closed it a little low. That's why we wait for this bar, the first test bar, to close. But I was ready to... This was the area I thought we could go in, but I don't like where he closed it. So with that, I skip this pair. Now let's see here. We are in a downwards trend. Nothing I want to trade. Here we're in the upper trend. Retesting here. And looks like that is a place that will hold also. You need to see where this bar want to, if you want to copy maybe this or this two. I want to see first. Because what you also can see that we have a short-term little trend going downwards here. That's why I need to be open if it's going to be there or here, it will stop. Or we see a break, but stochastic says that will be probably around here. Let's zoom in. There. I will still not take it. I want a little better than this. There. I think that's a good entry. Now let's see how this will play out. Okay. Take one more there. Come on now. Okay. So let me see now. We lost $12 on this trade. Okay. I think now I'll change for 200 trade on the next. Let's go from this. Go next. GBP, GPY. No. I would like to see something clear. I've not seen that yet. Not a clear trade. That I will say like, yes, there is a trade. Like down here, you see the stochastic say no. So then I will keep away. Check the normal Ethereum Classic. Same story there. Just want something easy. No. 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 Following still a trend. This button here did look nice, but of course we are late into the game. That's 2 minutes ago. Let's continue. We are back to GBP GPY. I would only be interested down there in this lowest level. Only the lowest level I went to here. So down around this lower bar here. That's the only place I will take a trade. If we get down there again, I will take it. But, it's the only place I'll take it. Let's see. He did go a little more farther down than I was expecting. That's why I did not take a trade. Holding a little back. Want to see where this bar closes first before I think about it. Yeah, what I expected. See, he closed it below the rest. So there was one just dodge at the bullet. See here, looks nice, but the stochastic says no. That's why I'm taking. And I will not be surprised if we start go lower. And you see he's doing. So you see the stochastic is breaking some trades for us, but it's also saving us money. Now let's continue, nothing there. By the way, if you're just watching and you are thinking about joining to trade, make sure you use the link that you find pinned in the chat. There you can use the broker that I am using in this live session. Also then make sure you use the promo code that you have there is Alpha1. Then you get 200% on your first deposit. Now let's zoom here now. I'm looking in this area. He go lower. As we go lower, we are not interested. Now let's see here. This bar was lower, but it's fitting good with the ones you see here. So that is still good. I hate this blue thing that comes all the time. Now let's see. Basically area is around down there. thinking about it, depending on how the bar is acting down there. Now, you see a fast move down, lower, then you're not interested more. Okay, we got the break of the trend line. I guess then let's remove this line here. We don't now have a resistance here. Let's see how it plays. He go higher. Where could be the next area? That's my question. These two bars looks very alike, but now he chooses to go higher. Then we have this bar over here. Let's see. They are more or less equal right now. Might that be the area where we can trade? Let's see. Let's see what's this bar decide. Okay. I think I'll take a trade up there if you get up there again. Depending on how the bar is moving, of course. If you shoot up above, I will not take it. If you shoot up above, I don't take it. Shoot up above, that means that when you see him go up here, I don't push directly. I see him go continuing, then I don't take the trade. I'd rather get a little worse position than try to get it exactly on the line. You see here now, go higher, then you're making yourself to lose a trade. But if you get you see he's stopping, he go down, and you get a little worse entry, is better some cases, because then you see he will continue closing below here and you still are good. So I'm preventing myself to take some trades. That is to keep my win rate much higher. So I take less trades. I'm taking 4 trades today, 2 winners, 2 losers. No, 5 trades today, 2 winners. So with a 200 trade, I will turn a small profit. For the ones that are live trading, like Eternal, how is your trading looking? I guess you have probably taken more trades than me, because I'm very cautious with my trades today. The ones I have not taken, I have not checked if I would have won or not. So you can let me know if you have taken some extra trades and I have not taken, because I've been very cautious today. But still, let me know your win rate. Put your winners at okay, 2, 3. So you are more or less in the same situation like me then. So me personally, I'm raising my bar a little for the next trade. Downwards trend, we don't like that. Let's go back to Ethereum Classic. This one first and check the other one after. Now we see this region here is beautiful, but does not help. The stochastic says otherwise. So let's this is the area I'm thinking about taking trade, but I would like the stochastic to come below here before I even consider it. Let's see. What I would love to have in this broker, that's something I will ask them to make. You see now, every time we go to take a trade, we need to put the mouse over to take a trade, right? I would like to have a shortcut. So you can, for example, push on the keyboard 2, for example, and if I push 2, that's up, and 1 will be down. How cool would that be? You would eliminate so much factors where you need to move the mouse over to take a trade, especially for people like me that are trading on a computer. That would be amazing if you could do that. Let's see, because that's something I'm used to when it comes to stock trading, because I did trade a lot of stocks way before year 2000. And there I remember we had this fast keys we could use. Okay. Let's see now. This one closed a little lower than the rest, so we need this bar here to at least close higher than this one before I even consider trading down there. Let's see. See, I have now put myself a few new rules, so I get a few less trades, but it is for the average win go up. Now I do like what I'm seeing. Now let's see. Okay. Now looks much better again for the bottom. But moving away, let's move on. Now, down here, let me see. We don't have a clear one. Let's see. There. Now we'll make a coffee while we wait this trade. Okay, looks like we won that trade. So then we made $156. Let me see how that will play in for my calculations here. 156. We then have a profit of 22, so then we turn back to 100. Cool. Cool. That I can deal with. Let's see. So little profit now, that is good. And you Eternal, have you taken any more trades? Let me know. I will move on from this pair, by the way. Okay, here start to look good. I'm looking for an area. We close it pretty high here. Let's see what this bar do. I think the area I would want to take a trade will be closer up to the level here, if I want to take any. Let's see. Okay. Now, by the way, from what I'm seeing, we see we're high with stochastic. If I want to take a trade, I think I want it at the same as this top one here, depending on how the bar I will mark it as I have time. Up here, okay. Depending if the bar shoot up and actually pass the blue line, I will stay away from the trade. So I will keep an eye on it, but let's see. Now let's see. Down around in this region, I don't like this bar we see here, so I think I'll stay away. Euro against dollar, we see that we have this area up here. He closed a little high on this bar. Let's see if we go as we go higher than this one. Let's see to left. We don't have any information, so we are in an unknown territory up here. So as the stochastic says also, the move might not even be done yet. If he was up around this area, maybe this could be the area, but we need another test up there before we can do it. So what I'll do is save us time in the future. Let's just mark up there, and if you come back and we see that this might be area, then we might trade their future. But right now, it's an unknown for us. Okay, this area here looks nice for the future. Let's mark that. Now I will start to mark a little where I can see that could be a nice area to trade later. Bottom here I don't like, just because of this spike here. I would love if it was just stop it here. So let's move away. But this area can be nice later on. Here we're just going downwards. Nothing to do. We'll check Ethereum Classic Normal. Okay, we are in a beautiful area up here. Let's mark it. I am not taking a trade on this bar, by the way. But yes, this area looks to be nice. On the next bar, I will take it. That's it. Almost did click there. That would have been a nice trade. If you get just to that level again and move it there, I think that would be a nice area. Let's see if we can just get up there again. closed a little high there. I want to wait. I'll wait this bar. I don't like where he closed it. Close it higher than the others. So that will be the next bar when you take it. See, he's going higher, do you see? I told about it. I did not like where he closed it. If we can close down there now and reopen, I will take a trade up there again. But right now we can't. You see, here he can easily shoot up above the blue line now. Everything says he'll go upwards. If you see him start to go down a little, it's just the market playing with you. The chance now is, see what I said, he shoot it up, exactly what I expected. So let's move on. Now this region here starts looking good. Let's mark it and let's follow. If I see a clear trade that I will trade on the line, I will say so. Now I'm just watching and we see once again he shoot up, he broke everything, nothing to do. So if I see a clear thing, just to make it that I understand it can be difficult to follow, but if I see something clear that yes, when you come up to that line I will take it, but still be aware if you shoot past the line, don't take the trade. That's the only thing I need to. So I understand it's more difficult to follow the trades now, but as I have seen last couple of, I would say this week have been a little more difficult to trade for some reasons, and I'm just adapting to it. I got more like a shock in Monday, but now as I'm adapting it's getting a little better. But yes, you're still adapting to the more difficult trading. But every time they make things more difficult, it's not the broker doing it, it's just the market, we get better. And when the markets come down to normal, we will kill it in the market. Let's see, we are thinking about taking a trade down in the blue line, but just thinking, the stochastic is still too high. We needed to cool down and come down to this level down here, like the 3-4 level. That will be a beautiful area to take a trade. So right now we are thinking, I'm not taking trade yet on the blue, just so you're aware of that. It's just thinking about the trade there. Okay. But we are moving away also here, so I think let's move on. Let's see to the left where it would make sense. And I would say all the way down here is where it would make sense for me. Okay, make a line. I don't feel the area here I'm making right now is the area. I would say down there is the level that I think the support should be. Not here. Yes, we have some small supporting zero, but the stronger one is down on the blue line there. If I get a bar that shoot down to the blue line here, I might take it. I will ask my account manager if you have a fast key for up and down. That would be cool. Let me check that. Today we only have 7 people join the live stream. That is very low. Strange, but low. Okay, I have asked now my account manager. Let's see if he can reply. Because I would love if there were a key I could really push instead of move my mouse over to up and down, because that would make things much easier and much faster to take trade. Okay, I'm looking. I'm almost taking a trade here now. I like what I'm seeing. No. Let's move on. Okay, here is a region we like. If I shoot up to this blue line, that is a place that I can say for sure I will take a trade. If you come up to this blue line, let's turn that to 100. That one is clear for me. I like the stochastic, I like everything. So if I come up to this red line, I will go in. Easy peasy. That's it. If that can happen, that is. Now we are getting close. Just need a good, nice move up there. Everything looks beautiful for a trade up there. Almost. Carry in. Now let's see how this plays out. We lost that trade. Okay. I'll take minus 100. I miss the good old times where we had higher win rate. I need to admit we're struggling. this week have been the worst week I ever had. Not that we lost that much, but still very difficult week. I am looking for a sell up there. But this is the thing, I am a real binary option trader. I trade even when things are hard. I am not so scared to show people that I can lose money. That is, I see, is a plus actually, that we show the real part of binary option trading, that things can get hard. I'm in there now, let's see. So I think that is important also to show the bad side of binary option also, not only show the winners and how easy it is to win money, because trust me, it's nothing easy with binary option. But as we are trading the way we do make money, but it's good so you can see that it's not that easy all the time, that even someone like me can have a bad week. Now, talking about that, it looks like you're getting a win here now. So then we are back into profit. Actually, we are exactly in zero. We did that trade. So now we are in zero for the day. That was a good entry. Now we see with the stochastic that if you come up there again now, we see the stochastic have cooled it down somehow. So that means if you come up here now, he can break it. So I will not trade more on this line up there. Okay. So let's move on. Now let me take a look down here, if this is an area I would like to trade. I'm taking a look. Yes, it was a good resistance there. Probably, at least it's enough that I will change to 30. Let's see. He's going lower, I don't like that. That I'm not touching, I'm keeping away. He broke straight through my line. That's why I did not take a trade. Now he's turning into news. Okay, he's continued onwards. I'm thinking it now. He closed it low. We don't like that. Move our mouse carefully away from the up button. No. Let's move on. Okay, I got a reply back from my account manager. We only can trade with mouse. We don't have option with fast key. But that will be something nice to make. So So we can only trade with mouse. We don't have a fast key. A fast key would have been super cool. That would make our day so much easier. But I asked them to make it, so let's see if they do. Because I would love if you could, for example, push Q for up and D for down. Would be making our day so much easier to trade. So that's. Now let's see. The area up here starts to look good. I do like it. I might take a trade up there. If you get up there again, depending on how the stochastic will react after this bar. because if we start to go into this area here, we will not take a trade up on the line. Okay, let's see now. This is a bullish bar. I don't like bullish bar either, but let's see. Let's see. Still not there. Let's move on. Let's move on. We only stop if we see the stochastic is low or high. And this one was trending like crazy, right? We're seeing some sideways market here now, suddenly. But the stochastic is in the middle, so you're not interested. Let's check Ethereum Classic. Down here could be area. Let's see. Not decided yet, but now start to be decided. Depending on how he moves down, I might take a trade on the blue line up. That is as long as he don't shoot past it. Let's see. Kill the truth. I should not have taken a trade. I was too trigger easy there. He did surpass it, and I'm expecting to lose this trade just because of that. I will take one more trade there. Now I'm 2 in. I might lose both of them. Let's see. Getting tired. How difficult it is. Let's see. I might need to change for a 200 trade again. Yeah, we closed it low here now. Looks like we will lose this. Minus 200. Now this week, really struggling. Have not been a fun week trading this. Not at all. Okay, this area down here looks to be nice. Now it's going lower. Okay, let's see here then. I did take a trade there now. And he shoot down. I don't even know what's happened. Let's take a reload of the chart. What really happened here? I would like to see that. Let's see. And it really was a strong bar going downwards. And looks like I'm losing this. And we have $400 in minus. Oh, yeah. This week I have just one losing day this week, but now it looks like I'll have two. But still, this week I've been struggling, really struggling, and it's not fun. So, but I'm doing my best here to still do a good live session, but I need to say my mood is not good. Because like all other people, I hate to lose money. I'm not used to it. I have been trading for so long time, and I would say this has been one of the worst weeks I ever had trading. So, like I said, I'm not used to losing money, so this is very strange for me. And you get in this bad mood, you start to, yeah, so, I don't know what to say. But I will still keep live sessions Monday to Friday. This is the last session of the week, and I think we are actually in overtime. So I traded more than 1 hour, so that means this did become a losing session also. So this was the last trading day for the week. We did lose money, so now it's 16 days we have lost out of a lot. It's 1 year and 8 months. I think it's like 400 times I won. So, but still, this was a very bad week. We need to get a good week next week. This is new for me. Thank you for keeping me a little company today, Eternal. And we are going to come back again Monday strong. So with that, have an amazing weekend. I hope you have done better than me, because I have done terrible this week. And with that, see you later.